Well, no utility room, no problem. Whether you're tackling laundry day or giving the house a thorough top to bottom blitz, our new Neat Nest trolley is here to help keep all your equipment in one tidy place. Built to last and designed with busy households in mind, this sturdy storage solution is your new hub for all things clean and tidy. We're talking storage reimagined.
This is our brand new Neat Nest modular storage solution. It's real innovation as well. We've literally started with photos from colleagues of their utility rooms, their under the stairs, where they store all their cleaning and all their laundry utensils, equipment. And it's actually a real problem in homes. So these are basically trolleys that are completely customisable to suit your need. So we have one for solutions, one and cleaning products, and then one for laundry. So you have the trolley itself, and then you buy the add-on packs as to what problem you're trying to solve. It creates where a lot of our cupboards have no shelving, no vertical storage. It's creating vertical storage for you to be able to store everything. It's on wheels, so you can wheel it out from where you keep it to move it to where you need. The cleaning one has a removable basket, so you've got your products that you want to move around the house with you, so you don't need to move the whole trolley around the house, but it's a great way of storing the sticks. So your hoover, your dusters, your
mops, your brooms, all of that.
Absolutely.
So that's the cleaning one. What's our other one then?
Laundry, so somewhere for your iron to store, for you to keep obviously all your laundry cleaning products, your pegs, your laundry basket, but it's actually quite usable for being able to steam clothes on the back of. It's got an extendable hanger attachment that you can put your hangers on as you're drying things.
Wonderful. And is it going to hold my ironing board? Because that's another thing that falls over everywhere.
It is, absolutely. It's got a space specifically for your ironing board to be able to sit in there nice and neatly. And again, everything on that one trolley that you can just wheel out.
And this is fully exclusive to us, isn't it?
Completely, yes. It's been designed by us and so is exclusive to us.
We love our new Neat Nest trolleys, so much so that we've also designed another smaller version for laundry. Check these out and that one and more online at lakeland.co.uk.